slow reverse, you are clear on the left.
Hold it right there. Set the brake.
Ramps are secure, ready for unloading.
Easy now. Keep walking. Watch your spacing, boys. Keep it moving. All right, clear the gate now.
Gate is secure. Moving to the next section.
Check the sensor reading on the automated refill system.
It's stable. Recording the data now.
Check pressure levels on line 3. Reading steady at 50 psi. Safety clear. Initiate wash cycle.
Cleanliness confirmed on this one, Supervisor.
Excellent. We are on schedule.
Scan confirms a healthy liver profile.
Noted. I've updated the movement record on the tablet.
All right, let's prep the chute for release.
The heart rate is stable at 52.
Yep.
Kidney function looks good on the scan, doctor. We are ready for the next one. The heart rate is stable at 52.
Yep.
Kidney function looks good on the scan, doctor. We are ready for the next one.
Body condition score is a strong 4.
Did the scanner confirm the ID?
Yes, GZA-12 confirmed. Uploading the data now.
Okay, this one is cleared.
Confirmed. Opening the main gate now.
Bring number 42 forward.
The heart and lungs sound strong. Agreed. All vitals within the acceptable range according to protocol. Records updated and verified, doctor.
Did you verify the tag number against the system?
Yes, doctor. All records match the physical inspection. All examination results have been verified. Health requirements are satisfied. We can grant the clearance.
Acknowledged. Archiving the records now.
Looks like the intake numbers are finalized. Everything is well within tolerance.
Agreed. The new cleaning protocols are showing excellent results. The tensile strength is well within tolerance. This section is approved for cutting.
We can adjust the sleeve pattern here for better nesting.
Yes, that improves the material efficiency.
Approved. Proceed with the cut. Workers position the collar accurately before sewing begins. Factory supervisors inspect alignment and
The texture is excellent. Yes, the shine is perfect now.
The texture and size on this one look excellent.
confirmed. Send this batch to the cleaning station.
These look excellent. The polish is perfect.
We can start the final packaging immediately.